model, 2020 Renault Trafic Sport Energy 2.0 DCI Grey Fridge van VAT included bargain. Body, grey, fridge. Mileage, 104,383. MOT, the 30th of January 2026. Engine, 1997 CCM 920/120 Energy E6D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash. Starts and drives brilliantly fresh. 12 months MOT, 1 owner from new, very well maintained vehicle. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it.